Imagine two investors. One spend hours a day in watching stock market news, analyzing chart and found next multi-bagel stock, while other spend only 5 minutes a month investing in a simple index fund. And after 10 years, the second investor make more money than one. That sounds unbelievable, right? But here the shocking truth. According to a study around the world, the most professional investor fail to consistently beat the market. So how can an ordinary investor grow wealth without becoming a stock market expert? The answer is index fund. By the end of the video, you'll understand simply what is exactly index fund and how it works and why many successful investors recommend to it beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Final Mind. I am Piyush and we are going to have a video that what is exactly a index fund. If you ever wanted to start investing but felt confused in stock market jargon, this video is for you. So let's understand what is index fund in possible simplest way. So before we start, let me just conclude what exactly we are going to discuss in the video. First one is what is index, and then what is an index fund, and why people love index fund, who should invest in index fund, and one simple real life example. So let's start. For understanding what is index fund, let us clear what exactly is index. Think of the stock market as a cricket tournament where hundred of teams are playing. If someone asks for that what is the overall performance of the tournament, that instead of checking every single team, just check the top performing team, and that exactly how an index works. For example, Nifty track 50 India's largest company, and Sensex track 30 largest company. So when this company performing well, the index is rising, and when the company are performing poor, the index fall. So in simply words, index is just a report card of a stock market. Comes to important part. The index fund is a mutual fund that simply copy as an index. Let's say if you want to invest in all 50 company of Nifty 50, but investing in all 50 company individually will take more money and effort. Instead, index fund does it for you. The fund buys share of all these companies in equal proportion. If Reliance share performing well, the fund buys Reliance share more. And if Infosys share not performing well, then the fund buys Infosys share in small amount. That exactly an index fund works. The goal is not to beat the market. The simple goal is to become a market. If Nifty 50 rises, index fund is rises. If Nifty 50 falls, index fund falls. That's simple. How an exactly index fund work? Why do people love index fund? Well, there are three main reasons. First one is diversification. With one investment, you get exposure of dozen of company, and if one company is not working well, then other can balance the impact. Second one is low cost. Since no fund manager actively picking the stock, so management cost is very low, and lower cost means your more money stay invested. Third one is simplicity. No research of stock, no daily marketing tracking, no guessing which is the winner in the next stock. Simply is just invest and stay consistent. That's it, and that's why people love it more. Let us take a real life example. Let's say if you invest 5,000 rupees every month through SIP into Nifty index fund, and you continue this for many years without giving time to market to watch any stock market, any analyze any chart. You just invest every month and just forget. And after many years, as the India's biggest company grow, your investment also grow with them. So that's the power of index fund, and that's why many investor prefer index fund in long term, because it has many feature of that. You don't need to take any kind of headache to just watch the stock market, analyze the charts, graphs, and whatever the stock market has. You just need to consistent and very, and you know what, it is very simple and effective. Now who should invest in index fund? Well, index fund is suitable for beginner who's trying to study stock market, for college student, for business professional people who do not want to spend hours in studying stocks. If your goal is a long-term investment, not to get quick profit, that index fund is one of the strongest options for you. Here, the biggest lesson: successful investment is not to find the perfect stock. It is about how do you study, how you stay invested for a long time. Sometimes small investment can beat the most complicated one. If you found the video is helpful, just hit the like button and subscribe our channel and comment below. Would you prefer individual stocks or an index fund? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.